What's inside my Barbie bag? Hi, my name is AON, and this is my bag love story. In today's episode, I would love to share with you what's inside my Barbie bag. Have you watched the Barbie movie? I really enjoyed watching it, and even though it is not entirely for kids, some scenes may not be suitable for kids, and I was able to find the good lesson that can be extracted from the film, which is be the best of whatever you are, best version of yourself. So that's a good lesson that we can learn from the story. And before I show you what I have inside my bag, I'll just quickly show you a new toy that I got from my husband. He gave me this toy. This is from Mattel, a Barbie riding on a motorcycle, and this can be a very nice display inside my closet together with my other Barbie items. There, 2013 Mattel. And one cute feature of this toy is the bottom can be opened. You can see I can put some of my mini toys inside. So that is so cute. I also have here my sunglasses. That is Barbiecore. Let's open the bag. So this is the bag. On the outside, I was able to get a very nice, very girly keychain, and I turned it into a charm, bag charm from Shein. So this charm, it has a lipstick, a purse, pink purse, a lip, fuchsia pink lip, peach, and a pink sunglasses. So nice, so girly, and I really loved it. It also comes in silver, but I got the gold. Now let's open the bag. So it comes in two magnetic closures. So inside, so I have my phone case at the back. I got myself Barbie gummy mix. This has vitamin C. And then I have here Barbie coin purse that I found from one of the stores. I forgot the name, but I just be happy to link it below in case you're interested. This is in silicone, and it's just a coin pouch. I have coins at the moment. And then I have here some Barbie hair ties, Barbiecore hair ties. And so I have my perfume. And then I have here, this is a Louis Vuitton / Barbie pen. And then I have here my lip gloss from Sugar Dolls. The name is Gloss Boss, and the flavor is diamond. It doesn't have any color. It's like a shimmer in the lips, very glossy lip gloss. Then I have here my Yuna. This is my 4-key holder. Houses 4 keys. If you have small keys, this is very ideal to put into smaller bags like this, micro bags. If you're interested, I'll link it below for you. And I found this from Shein as well. This is a lip, and it has a mirror and a brush. So nice, so cute, and so girly. So I got it from Shein as well. And then on this pocket, I just placed my most used essentials like my napkin. I have here my hair tie, an extra plastic for trash bag. I have my band-aid and thermometer. And then I have here my Saint Raphael medallion, my guardian angel medallion, Saint Raphael. This is the pin that opens my SIM. and some extra medicines, emergency medicines inside this pocket. And the last thing inside my bag is this one. This is a very pretty, very girly. When I saw this in one of the what's in my bag videos, I really want to get it. This is a Barbie card holder. The design from this side is like a credit card. On the other side, it is where you put your cards. It houses 3 cards because it doesn't have an opening on the top. So if you don't have many cards to carry, this is very ideal. And also for small bags. And this card holder is from Cakeworthy. It is a collaboration with Barbie. Cakeworthy and Barbie. This is such a pretty card holder. I'll quickly show you the inside of this card holder. I also placed my flat magnifying glass, you can see. This is very handy for me. Sometimes I need to read some small prescriptions from the medicines and other products. I need this one. Very nice. Inside of this wallet, this has the Barbie logos on this side, and this is their logo. Cakeworthy. Some tags. It's the inside. So nice. So nice. I really love this. I also wanted to get the passport holder, but it is currently sold out. And also the box bag that looks like the box of the Barbie doll. So nice. And probably next time I'll save up for it. Very pretty Barbie items from Cakeworthy. So nice. So these are the things that are inside of my very small bag. Very tiny bag from Barbie. And also link the bag below in case you're interested in getting this bag as well. So if you love beautiful yet affordable bags, it's simple and classy, glamorous, pink and girly, and some fun kawaii finds, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell. What can you say about my Barbie bag? And what can you say about my very girly and pretty Barbie bag accessories? Please do comment in my comment section below and I'll be happy to chat with you. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time!